All aboard!
Hi, my name is Christy DiLoretto, and I am the president and founder of the Allergy and Asthma Awareness Initiative. When I founded the organization, it was very important to me that I gave back to Boston Children's Hospital. It's so important, and the work that's done here is just invaluable, and we're so appreciative to everything that happens.
Boston Children's always puts on a great Winter Wonderland event for the kids, and Braybock loves taking part in it.
I love Boston Children's because they have so much cool events and there's so much cool stuff.
My son had an EKG this morning at Boston Children's and gave his teddy bear an EKG today at this event. So it just makes it okay. We're so thankful.
I love participating at Boston Children's. I used to be a patient many years ago, so it's nice to be on this side of the exam table. It's just a lot of fun.
My favorite part of today is the teddy bear clinic because I like where we got to just create our own name and we got to get them checked and the casts and stuff like that.
I love the cookies here. Besides, I got to meet Santa, I got to meet Anna, and I got to meet Batman.
Tube Suit is here to partner with Boston Children's because we absolutely love our community. We love our children. We want to give back.
I love everyone at Boston Children's.
I love Boston Children's Hospital because they're so nice and they take care of us. I like Boston Children's Hospital because it helps my brother. I love Boston Children.
The reward is the smile of the children's faces. They are so precious. And when I see those smiling faces, it warms your heart. And that is why I do it, right? Especially here. Please come join me December 3rd, 2019, and have a wonderful time, joyous time at the Winter Wonderland here at Boston Children's Hospital, Peabody. Merry Christmas and happy holidays.